Hi, welcome back to another sewing video. First, I would like to apologize for always posting late. Gosh, I've been so busy, 9 to 5, working, domestic work, all those things. It's hectic, so I apologize. So I made an asymmetric dress for my daughter, and I also created a pattern for it. So I will make the pattern available in the description box. The link to the pattern available in the description box. So all you have to do is download the pattern. I'm 6 years old. She's 5 years old, but I needed her to wear for a longer time. So I made a 6 years old, so you can download it in the description box. Get your fabric, cut your fabric, get your sewing materials ready, and let's dive right into the sewing. All right, meet you there. Before I started sewing, I did a bit of a modification on the neck and the sleeve. The sleeve, I wanted it to go inside a bit, while the neck, I wanted it to be a little bit free. So I just cut out the seam allowance for the neck and also for the sleeve. Next, I cut out facing for the back neck and the opening, as well as the sleeve. I did the same thing for the front neck and the sleeve. So I just used my remaining leftover fabric to cut. So you can cut a full facing using a lining, or you can just go with my method. So whichever you prefer, a full facing. That's a cut similar pattern for the dress for the facing, and or you just cut just small facing just to cover up the rough neck and the sleeve. Before attaching my facing, I made a hook. So if you have an already made hook, you don't need to go through this process, but I don't have a hook of the same color as the dress, so I just created a hook. So you need to insert the hook while you sew the neck facing. Okay, you pin the neck, you insert the hook, then you pin the opening, the back neck opening, then you sew. But yeah, I you also need to stitch the neck facing to make the edge neat. Next, I attach the sleeve facing. The sleeve facing is more like a bias tape. So I just cut it this way so I'll be able to double fold it inside as to the back of the dress. So yeah, it looks like a tape. So just watch for better explanation. After stitching the facing and the sleeve, I pressed. So my next step was sewing the skirts of the top. First, I needed to create a gathering that's a ruffle at the edge of the skirt. So I changed my length, my stitch length to 4 and stitch. After stitching, I stretched out the thread. I dragged the thread to create that ruffle on the edge. Then I attached to the top. I attached the skirt to the top as well as the net, the mesh net. I attached the mesh net. The mesh net, I had it a long time ago. I bought it a long time ago, and I created a pleat on it. So it's optional. You don't have to use the net. I just, because as a little girl, so I just wanted to do something creative, so I used the net. So if you have a net, fine, you can ruffle it up too. If you don't, fine, it's all good. After joining the skirt to the top, I pressed a little bit, then I stitched the shoulder and the sides together. So that's the next step, the shoulder together and the side together to make it a full dress. This is the final stage. Just hem your dress, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye.